So hi everyone, I'm Kayyum and in this video we will going to learn that how to give user input to the SQL query in Oracle database. So you can see on the screen that I have already been logged in inside the Oracle database. Now we will going to see that how we can give user input to the SQL query. For that we will start with the select statement. Select. Here we will give the example of username and account status, and it will be query this from the DB users. And here in the where clause we will mention we want to give the user input in the form of username, so that's why I'm using and in front of username and then along with username. Okay, so because of this and followed by this username, the query will ask us about the user input. So let me enter it. So you can see that the query is asking us about the username. So when we give the username, it will be execute and give us the output as we ask in the query. Okay, so yeah, you can see that we are getting the output in this form. Okay, so for Scott we are getting these details like username and account status as we have already mentioned in the query. Okay, again for example, let me give us table space name, then pct increase from dv table spaces, and in the where clause we will mention table space. So we want the user input for the table space name, that's why we are using table space name. Okay, here in this way, so the query will ask us about the table space name. For this we will give given a user input as users. Again users. Again let me, so you can see that we are getting the user input as table space users and pct increase. Okay, so in this way we can get the give the user input to the SQL query inside the Oracle database and get the outputs. So it will be multi-purpose. So every time we execute it, we can get the user input uh, as we will. So that's why we are using and the username. So hope guys this will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.